Hey Jamie, this is the video on updating the projects on the site. So for this one, we'll come right over here to projects. Let that page update so you can see everything on here. Come right down here on the left-hand side to where it says projects. Click on that. And here you can see a list of everything on the site. If you want to add a new one, you can go ahead and click Add New. I think they've all been added, so I'm not going to worry about that. It looks the same as editing one of these, so we're just going to come in here. We'll go to the Willamette Mods. We'll click on it. Up it comes. Did I spell Willamette right? Are there really? Let's check that. Looks like only one M. Okay. So we'll update that for starters. But this is the title of the project, and that's what is going to show up right here on the overlay. And it's also going to show up once you click into the project. Nope, I guess not. It's just for the overlay right here on the project. So that's what this controls. Right over here on the right-hand side is where we update the category that it belongs to, and that's what's going to control the filter right here, so that when we click, what is it in? It's in residential, so that when we click residential, that it shows up here with the other residential projects. Just below that is where we put the featured image, the size that I have been cropping those to. This is a different project, but it's the same idea. Image size 1500 by 1000. Now, it doesn't have to all be that way. Obviously, some of your projects are tall. Really, I just go for about 1000 pixels wide, since when you click into the project, obviously it needs to fill the space up at the top, which is about that. So the aspect ratio does not need to be the same on all of these. You'll see that if we go to the Cronin block building, it's obviously a tall one because you can't really crop that one easily to horizontal. But if you put your image to about 1000 pixels wide, and then chop, especially if it's a vertical one, if you get rid of any dead space, so that we're limiting the amount of scroll on the project, that's helpful. Anyway, title here, categories here, picture gets uploaded here. If you need to change it, you can just hit remove, and then this link becomes that add featured image, so that you can swap these out. And then this part right here is how you control what comes up on the actual page. So this title and this text here. So you can see, oops, sorry. Here's the image, here's the text. We can come in here and change the image right there. I've just been using the same one as the featured image, but you could put a different one in if you want. Text right there, text right here. So the best thing to do, probably, if you're going to add a new project, let's update this since we took out that M. Projects might be to just go ahead and duplicate it. And then once it's duplicated, it'll have a little draft next to it here. Then you can just change out all of the information that you want, and then you don't have to worry about the formatting or anything. So then you could come in here and you could hit edit. And from there, you would just change out everything. So you could call this, and you could change out the text here. Save and exit. We'd change out the image here as well. Remove featured image. Set featured image. Let's just make it something else, doesn't really matter. Set. Change it to something else as well here. Publish. And now if we just go to the main projects page and we update it here, here's our new fake project that we've got in there. And if we click through to it, we'll see there it is, important project description here. We would change out the image right here as well. There it is. Set, save, update. Now if we update this, the picture matches. So hopefully I did that not too quickly or in a too confusing a way, but there is how you would update the projects on the website. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thanks much.